hi there. Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl, Keeb. In today's video, y'all, we're gonna have a little fun. I have been desperately needing new workout clothes. Single mama be on a budget and whatever. So, I'll be focusing on the baby, barely ever buying anything for myself. I just got to a point where I was like, dry. Shit is dry. You wear the the same all the time. The stuff's not fitting like it used to. You know what I mean? So I did get a couple pieces on Amazon. I have not tried them on yet. Do you guys like my hair? Crochet had me in a chokehold for a little bit, but you know your girl is a wig girly. I'm a half wig warrior, baby. Giving. Says giving. Okay, this video is not about hair for once. But it's hard for it not to be. You gonna have to just go get you one of these. And it's on sale, honey. What you doing, baby? You better run. If you like this hair, go down to the WhatsApp area, the description box. That is where all the information on this hair will be. Okay, so let's get into this. Nothing too crazy. Y'all gonna see if any of this is even worth it firsthand because I don't know. I'm gonna try all of this on for you guys right now, real time, and we're gonna see if any of this trash or smash. So I won't take up too much of your time, but grab a drink, get comfortable or whatever. Oh, baby. Oh, and if you are new here, welcome to the tribe, y'all. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe. Why? Because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you wanna be. Oh, please comment below if you guys have some places that you've been getting your workout gears from that you really like. I really got most of what I have right now off of Shein, but I want to switch it up. I want some new gears, and I'm willing to try different places. Because honestly, when your workout gears are new, you feel good, baby. You feel real good. Red. This is like a cute little red set. At least it looked like it was gonna be cute. We don't know if it's actually gonna be cute. A yellow set. Already, I'm unsure because I didn't want this shade of yellow. And it's looking very seamed. I don't know. Size medium in everything, I believe. And this last one here is a pair of like green flared pants. I'm nervous because flared pants for me are tricky. The thighs be eating it all up, and then they're just always short. It's supposed to be 34-inch inseam, but we'll see if the bum and the legs let it be a 34. I'm nervous, but we're gonna do this real time. The red is the color I wanted. The green looks like the shade. It's just the yellow. I wanted more of a mustard yellow, and this is like kind of like toy truck yellow. Okay, let's just see. Specifically be typing in seamless. Back. Okay. It's definitely seamed. That's what kind of gets me. And it's seamed. Okay. It actually fits kind of good. And even though I didn't like the seams on it, I'm not really that mad about the seams. So, okay, do we hate it? Do we love it? What do we think? I actually don't hate it. I was also a little nervous about this video because I am on my period. And I'm bloated. And I was like, should I be filming? Why are you yelling? And I was like, should I be filming this on my period? Am I setting myself up? But I am. Angles are important. Angles and posture matter, okay? If you think you're ugly, it's probably because you have bad angles and posture. It ain't that. And maybe you're on your period. Your period will make you feel ugly. Same girl, different posture. Oh, this one is Jumpin' Jerusalem and the length. Buttery. Oh my God. Please be long. Oh my God. If I had never felt. Look at the length. Are you kidding me? I have never. And the length. Found a flared pant, workout pant. Helly. Okay, I could have gone down the size. It's actually a little bit like shy. thighs are
big.
I mean, I know I said they were long. I know I said they were supposed to be 30.
butteriness.
Y'all,
Tall girl, go.
look at the length.
Tall girl, go now. Go now. I do wish I went down one size just to have a little more grippy. See how these pants make my butt look? Y'all gotta get these pants. Go get them. What did I say about them ankles? They gonna make me stronger. They gonna make, if you go to Pilates, you go to yoga, whatever you do, you're gonna be. I feel like I could be in an Alvin Alley dance club. Yeah, these pants give you powers. These ones are actually seamless. Didn't like that on the yellow one. There's actually no seam on this one. I was gonna be able to return something. I thought something was gonna need to go back. Okay, it's kind of cute. Make sure there's no nips. Make sure the nips are not nipping. This is nice. I like it. This is nice. I like it. It's got that like. It's definitely thicker than. You know when you just need that. Most of the workout pants that I have. What do you guys think? Oh, you know what we didn't do? We didn't squat in the others. It's dancing with me. Oh, girl. What an unexpected treat that was. What an unexpected treat. I'm here thinking, we trying this real time together. Is this all gonna suck? And y'all are gonna be like, that was wasting my time. Why did I watch this video? Okay, but no. Should I keep them all? What y'all think? Or should I just go back for more colors? Y'all be the judge. I don't know. Check that description box below because the Alvin Alley pants got me. But if you're not into flares and you want true seamless, ooh, these are red ones. They're giving true seamless with tummy control. They're definitely giving some tummy control. So I'm on my period right now. Oh, is the booty just sitting like that? That is all for today. Thank you so much for kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe because it's red and I'm wearing red. And that means it's meant to be. I love y'all. Go get them pants and let me know when we're joining the dance club. When we are joining the dance, not club, company. That's how serious it is that we're joining the company, okay? Those pants give you the type of movement and power that you need to be a part of a dance company. Oh. Anyways, guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Peace swirl, I came to give, but I came to ride, and I came to live, but I came to fly. Take a trip.